Shri Matre Namaha Piriva Sharanam. Hope everyone had a blessed day 1 of Navratri. Day 2 Navratri, we worship goddess Kaumari or Brahmacharini. On this day, it is believed that Parvati Devi becomes Sati, and this form of the goddess symbolizes peace, bliss, calmness, and prosperity. Brahmacharini Devi is said to walk barefoot, and she carries a japamala and a kamandalu in hand. The color of the day is green. We can dress ourselves and the goddess in green vastram. Flowers to be offered, jasmine and tulsi patram. The first 3 days of Navratri are especially auspicious for the worship of the Divine Mother in the form of goddess Durga or Parvati. Certain prayers and stotrams in praise of goddess Durga are shared in the description box. You may share the same and chant. Stotram to be chanted for day 2 is Sri Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. The audio link is again shared in the description box. The mantra to be chanted Om Devi Brahmacharinyai Namaha Shikhivahanaya Vidmahe Shakti Hastayai Dhimahi Tanno Kaumari Prachodayat. The Neivedyams to be offered for this day tamarind rice, that is puliyogare, Rajma Sundal, sweet corn chundal, unsalted butter, that is fresh butter which is removed from curd, any barfi or any sweet dish, dry fruits, Vella Puttu, which is a jaggery dish, and Kesari or shira. Again, all the recipe links are shared in the description of the video. Now, there are different benefits of praying to Devi Brahmacharini. She is said to bestow good fortune, overcome the evil effect of the Mangala Graham, and she also eliminates fear. Another mantra for the goddess, another shloka, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Brahmachari Nirupena Samstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Further, for doing the archana, it is very auspicious to use kadamba flowers, that is a mixture of different types of flowers. This can be done on day 2. The column or rangoli for day 2 is seen on the screen. You can draw it either in the puja area or outside your houses. As usual, you can light lamps, and ladies and girls can be offered tambula. It is also the Friday, the second day of Navratri. This year is comes a Friday, a very auspicious day for the goddess. So let's all keep chanting her names and have a blessed day too of Navratri. Shri Matre Namaha Piriva Sharanam.